Are you all excited about the newest AI tool on the block, ChatGPT? Well, hold on tight because this revolutionary AI chatbot might just cause some trouble for your Faceless channel. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the real dangers of ChatGPT, the super intelligent AI built by OpenAI. Now, some of you might have heard rumors of ChatGPT's devastating attack, but we're here to set the record straight and examine the real facts behind this cutting-edge technology. So let's get started. While ChatGPT is undeniably impressive in its ability to generate coherent writings and narratives, it's important to remember that it's still just a machine. And while it may be able to outperform many high school students in writing, it's not capable of truly understanding and synthesizing information the way a human can. Let alone writing a script for a YouTube video, a script that people would actually follow and enjoy. That being said, it's not hard to see how ChatGPT could become a game changer in the world of script writing. In a society where we've already outsourced math to calculators, spelling to spell check, and memory to the internet, it's not a stretch to imagine that we may soon outsource basic writing tasks to AI as well. So what does this mean for us content creators and thinkers? Are we sacrificing something crucial to our humanity if we no longer have to come up with original ideas ourselves? And in the world of content creation, will YouTube be flooded with videos devoid of any human touch thanks to AI? Well, the answer is yes. If YouTubers, especially those using the automation business model, choose to employ ChatGPT as their go-to scriptwriters. It's a potential future that's both exciting and scary, and one that we need to explore further. Now that we know that ChatGPT could be a game changer, the question arises: how do we make the most out of it and create a successful faceless channel that doesn't come off as robotic and unfeeling? Let me break down the key differences between a script written by a human and one generated by a robot. This will help you realize just how important it is to use this tool mindfully, as using it carelessly could very well end up costing you your entire channel. Let's not waste any time. Here's the game plan. ChatGPT takes on the role of the writer, and you, my friend, are the editor. Together, you can crank out a killer YouTube script in no time, all while maintaining top-notch quality. The difference between writing and editing is like the difference between cooking from a recipe and creating a dish from scratch. Cooking from a recipe gives us a blueprint to follow and can produce a delicious meal. But creating a dish from scratch allows us to experiment with flavors and textures to create something truly unique and personalized. Similarly, editing allows us to take existing language and mold it into something that reflects our own individual style and voice. And while ChatGPT may be able to provide the basic structure for our scriptwriting, it's up to us to edit and refine it into something truly our own. That's where the real value of writing comes in. It enables us to take commonplace ideas and turn them into a perspective that is both distinct and genuine. And there you have it, the perfect ingredients for a successful YouTube script and ultimately a captivating video. It's important to keep in mind that while using ChatGPT can help you create a large number of videos quickly, it's not a substitute for quality content that engages and resonates with your audience. Simply churning out a high volume of videos without thought or care for your viewers will likely lead to low engagement and ultimately hurt your Faceless channel's growth. At its core, producing YouTube videos is an opportunity for us to share our thoughts and experiences with a wider audience. As we embark on this creative journey, we're not only conveying our perspectives, but also gaining a more profound understanding of who we are and how we fit into the larger picture. It's easy to let artificial intelligence guide us down a path of uninspired replication, but the true power of video lies in its ability to capture our distinctive viewpoints and present them in a way that captures attention. As content creators, we hold the keys to unlocking a world of possibilities, and it's up to us to choose whether we want to blend in with the crowd or stand out as a voice worth listening to. The decision is yours.